You take press notice.
My lords, they issue fresh notice.
So issue press notice to the respondent. Post up to 4 weeks. Next.
Yes, sir.
11.2 only.
Yeah, please, Malad.
Actually, this is a batch matter. It was being heard about.
It's my petition, Malad. My friend can wait. It's my petition. My friend can certainly wait, Malad. Malad, this is an application for granting provisional appointment to the petitioners. They are successful in the selection process. The issue is a larger issue, but where there is a batch of matters pending before my lords for a long time, Malad. My lords were pleased to stay the orders passed by the Honorable High Court in the previous batch. There was an earlier round of selection in 2018. Now the issue here is whether a graduation.
What is this 11.1?
11.1 is also one of the connected matters. Malad, we moved an application.
Only this IA is posted.
Only this IA is listed today, Malad.
You have filed this.
I have filed this, Malad. I am one of the SLP petitioners, Malad.
Hmm.
So the issue, Malad, here is the graduation with an additional subject, whether it would be
It is whether optional or additional.
Additional.
It's the only question.
That is the issue. So in
Rules
the
say
first,
optional.
it's
Rules say optional.
yes, but no rules don't say so.
Rules say so.
Yes, because what I,
Rules say so.
It clearly recognizes it as a degree with that subject, in that subject.
in fact, Malad, the issue whether additional is a valid qualification or not, the state had constituted a high-level committee, a committee of experts. That committee of experts gave a report in our favor, and my lords have consistently held that in academic matters, it is best left to the experts. So, based on that, the state government decided that the additional subject would be akin to a degree, graduation degree.
Can I make a suggestion if Malord would permit? Look, there are 8 more petitions on the same issue. Malord would consider keeping it on any date. Malord, the other petitions have been waiting for 7
What
days.
is this IA?
Well, because what has happened here is that all the other petitions, the previous selection, everybody was appointed. We are people who've been selected, only waiting for appointment because there are no orders in our favor. The other, by virtue of interim orders of my lords, all the others have been taken in. They are working.
I'm sorry.
You wanted an interim appointment.
Yes, because
You rejected.
well, all the others are continuing by virtue of orders.
There cannot be any interim appointment.
Then my lords may have the IA along with the main matters. Well, it was listed before the vacation. My lords may have it any day. All the batch is ready.
Post this civil appeal, the leave is granted or what?
Yes, leave is granted. In these matters, leave is granted.
In 11.1, leave is not granted. All other matters, leaves are granted. In this matter, leave
March
is not granted.
23, the leave is granted, my lords, they are
In
pending.
connected matters, leave has already been granted. Therefore, the leave is granted in the present SLP also. Post all the appeals together for hearing in the month of when?
Any date, everything is complete.
Not different applications, it was coming up regularly in the list, but not reaching, so not.
Pleadings are complete. Services.
Meetings are complete.
Service, then the bench of Justice Maheshwari, presided by Maheshwari, they directed that all service be completed. Now that is
It's all
over.
done. It's right for hearing.
Over. So the matter is now right for hearing. There's an office report, my lords, to that.
on 9th September.
Very good.
Milords, I want to make one submission. Milords, 2 IAs are listed for intervention filed by me. I am a similarly situated student. I was a petitioner before the High Court in which the interim order was passed. I was a performer respondent, but I was subsequently deleted. So there are 2 IAs for 2 students, Milords, if they may be allowed. I want to be joined as a party. As a
You have not succeeded in the High Court.
No, Milords, my case is similar to the petition.
That means you have not succeeded in the High Court.
Yes.
Why have you not preferred SLP?
Milords, I was a
You cannot
performer
intervene.
respondent.
You have to file because there is an order against you.
Because they did not join, that is why we were required to make them performer parties, Malad. And because they were not being served, so that is why we got
You have to
defeated.
file SLP.
I may be given a liberty.
You are not a third party so that you can intervene. You were a party in the High Court. You have to file an SLP.
I was earlier performer and then my name was
They didn't.
Pharma here, but you are a writ petitioner in the High Court. You have failed in the High
I'm
Court.
seeking liberty to file a motion for this.
Prayer for impleadment is rejected. However, the applicant seeking impleadment may file separate SLP. Yes.
Grateful.
Post 12 post before a bench.
I am appearing for the petition.
Chandrasekhar is not its member.
Not